Joe Collins. This English cocktail is with just 3 ingredients: vodka, soda water, and lime juice with a mix of lime curd, or we can put simple syrup, whichever one you prefer. So the same way, let's start. Take a glass of ice. Again, 60 ml of vodka. Ten ml of simple syrup. Ten ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then top it up with soda water. To complete your drink, garnish it with a lime, a slice of lime or a lime peel, whichever one you like. Cheers, that's Joe Collins. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. That's it for now. Enjoy life. See you.